Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to customize quick settings in Realme 14x phone. First, we need to go to settings. Then we are looking for notifications and quick setting menu, and here we have quick settings. So we have two options here. We have split and we have classic mode. So in the classic we can allow our quick settings to be visible on the lock screen, the same in the split screen. In the classic we can change the tile shapes, as you can see here, and in the split screen, in the split settings, we have option to show or hide tiles name, and we can reset our layout settings. And that's pretty much it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.